Good afternoon, I am Safiya Kubbah. Today I'll be talking about the Besri Dam, some advantages, disadvantages, financials, risks, safety, and some other facts. Residents of Beirut are experiencing very sharp shortage of water. This shortage of water, it is predicted that it will harm and people will suffer from it. Not only people in the Beirut district, but people also in Mount Lebanon. They would profit if this project works as planned. It will help people in financially and profit from it. Also enhance water resources without any extra expenses for substitute water sources. Because of the limited water sources, there has been a problem in Lebanon. This problem of low water limitations is going to affect Lebanon. This is going to cause scarcity for water. Lebanon has a shortage of water with unspecified outlets of major water resources. Aquifers are being used in large amounts, and this is very costly for the region. Now we will be talking about some benefits of the Besri Dam. First, if this project works as planned, people in Beirut and Mount Lebanon will have clean, fresh water, drinkable water. This project, people in Lebanon will no longer need or depend the other ways, the alternate supplies of water, and their domestic water expenses would reduce significantly. Other than that, people would be no more needing and depending on wells, and this will decrease groundwater demand. And also aquifers and filters will no longer be in need or use because the dams have clean, drinkable, fresh water for the Lebanese people. This project is eco-friendly, sustainable, efficient, and it will attract tourists. Now, this project will be managed and handled by experts and people who will follow the safety measures. This project is studied through many architectures, developers, producers, workers, and many other professional experts. This project also exposes the people, the locals, to a defined contribution scheme. This plan is going to help people to drink fresh, clean water. People will profit from it. It enhances security. It will help with job opportunities and many more. Locals will not only benefit from it to drink, but also to work within this project. Next, we're going to talk about the project claim, financials, and facts. This project was approved on September 30th, 2004, and it is believed that it will be completed and done by June 30th, 2024. So hopefully this project, if it happens and it works, many people will benefit from it. The Council for Development and Construction, they provided with 617 million US dollars. This money was provided by the Lebanese government, the Islamic Development Bank, and the World Bank. They all combined together and they made sure this will work. It is believed that it will be located 35 kilometers to the south of the Beirut capital. So it will be in the south, in a small village called Besri. It is supposed to ensure 125 cubic meters of water, so everyone can benefit from it and take water from that dam. Now for some Besri substitutes. This project has been the idea was already in working, planning, and they were trying to produce it and make the most out of it. Now, the Lebanese administration conducted a thorough substitute evaluation. This is to design the project. They will study it properly and examine it financially, ecologically, and socially of two factors. Models for 4 dams in Besri, Damour West and Damour East, and finally Jannah. The other factor is to have other non-dams alternatives involving controlling the number and amount of aquifers, filters, and the consumption regulation. Other than making sure to stop the substitute or the other ways, the alternate ways of getting water from dams, they must be put to stop. People must depend on dams because it's much better. It helps them reduce expenses. It's not that costly, and this will ensure that people will consume from it and from the dams, and this will help people to think and have a better future. There was a study that demonstrated that the mixture of dams and non-dams are deemed. They are steps that are deemed and necessary considerations to improve water supplies in the future. The Besri Dam is a sequence of development and improvements that non-dams and dams steps to ensure water conservation by the year 2035. The Besri Dam ecological and social risks. Everything that is planned, any project that is planned, has some difficulties and risks. The Planning and Restoration Committee, in partnership with the government institutions, society organizations, the private industry, and civic leaders. Their job is to assess and make sure that during the design implementation period, it is evaluated and known by the Lebanese Environment Ministry. They are going to take care of everything and make sure nothing goes out of hand or out of control. A climate and social planning strategy has been created. It has been founded and it's going to be there to help and address the environmental and social implication evaluated in the evaluation. This consists of small portions and appropriate corrective steps to minimize the disruption identified by assessments. So this will reduce any problems. If problems were to occur, there will be solutions for it. There are some Besri Dam safety. The safeties are if any natural disasters were to occur, like earthquakes or anything like that, some professional tools were used to help not disrupt with the dam. So if it were to occur an earthquake, there are some analysis tools that track the architecture to the dam and it continues. So nothing can disrupt it. The water that is found in the Besri Dam is purified, drinkable, and filtered. So anyone there or around the area can just go there and drink the water. It is consumed safely and it will be through international standards. Also, what is nice about this project, the Besri Dam project, it is biodiversity protected. It protects Mother Nature. It protects our forests, our oceans, our seas, anything that is around the Besri Dam or in Lebanon. It will not harm it. As I said before and as I mentioned before, it is eco-friendly. It will not destroy the habitat of creatures or anything, or like anything natural will not be destroyed. Up next is how this project will protect its people. How does this project help its people? First, this project is a comprehensive strategy for relocation, and it is exposed to an evaluation process to track its execution. So they studied each step and everything so it can guarantee success. This project guarantees for its locals or anyone nearby the area from the lake a scheme for regions impacted by dams. This scheme was developed. It will increase job opportunities. It will guarantee also and enhance economic facilities and social security. It also ensures for the local people from the expansion of the dam, shoreline and nearby areas. So people can benefit from this dam, from this project. If people are jobless or they want to go and help and volunteer and profit from this project, they will be able to, because this project is made not only for people to drink from, but it will also help them not spend a lot of money on substitute or alternate ways to find water sources. It will also provide security for its people. This project has been studied carefully to show that the Lebanese people are capable of it.